Attention homeowners and investors. DC home prices are shifting. What you think you know might be wrong. Ready for your market wake-up call? Bringing you the latest housing market pulse for Washington, D.C. In this update, we'll explore August's numbers on median and average prices, total home sales, new listings, and interest rate trends, all backed by trusted sources like Redfin, Zillow, and Freddie Mac. Median price. Homes sold for a median price of $565,000 in August 2025, an increase from previous years. Volume sold, roughly 3,408 homes sold in August, rising from 2,929 year-over-year. Real estate average price value, Zillow's Home Value Index, pegs the average home value at about $593,957, reflecting a 3.8% decline year-over-year. Zillow median sale price context. Earlier in June 2025, median sale price was around $700,000, slightly down from a year before. According to Redfin, in July 2025, the median sale price was around $679,000, with 636 homes sold, a 7.8% increase from last year. Redfin month-over-month values dipped slightly, home values down about 0.56%, yet still up 2.65% year-over-year, signaling a slow correction rather than a decline. WTOP News. The 30-year fixed mortgage rate as of late August hovered near 6.566.59%, with recent lows of 6.556%, still well above pandemic-era lows. AP News. The mortgage report's bank rate. Fred, the National Association of Realtors, forecasts an average mortgage rate of 6.0% in 2025, a slight improvement that could boost affordability if realized. Reuters. Rising inventory. Supply is outpacing demand. Bank layoffs and federal staffing uncertainties are prompting more listings while dampening buyer urgency. The Mortgage Point. Moderate adjustments ahead. Analysts expect modest home price increases around 4% yearly, but mortgage rates are likely to stay elevated, limiting affordability gains. Investopedia. Local forecasts. Bright MLS projects. DC's median sale price to climb from $609,700 in 2024 to $638,300 by end of 2025, alongside increased sales and inventory. Axios +1. Median home price $565K in August. Zillow. Homes sold, approximately 3,408 units, a meaningful year-over-year gain. Average value $594K. Zillow. Down 3.8% YoY interest rates, still elevated at approximately 6.6%, with NAR projecting average 6% for 2025. Key trends. Rising inventory, moderate price shifts, affordability pressures remain. Thinking of buying, selling, or refinancing? Let's talk strategy. Reach out to optimize your move in this evolving market.
Welcome to the Washington, D.C. housing market update for September 2025. If you're a buyer, seller, or investor in the nation's capital, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the latest stats and trends to help you make smarter real estate decisions. Let's get started. First, let's talk numbers. According to Redfin, the median home sale price in Washington, D.C. for August 2025 was $679,000, up 0.6% from last year. But here's the twist. The average home price in the DC metro area was slightly lower at $558,285, reflecting a 4.4% year-over-year increase per Bright MLS. This shows DC's core remains pricier than its suburbs, but prices are stabilizing. Neighborhoods like DuPont Circle and Adams Morgan are seeing strong growth, with median prices in zip code 20009 jumping 32.1% to $589,000. Meanwhile, more affordable areas like Congress Heights are surging too, with prices up 68.9% to $456,000. But Zillow reports the typical home value in DC dropped 4.2% over the past year to $618,651, suggesting buyers may have more negotiating power in certain pockets. Now let's look at sales volume. In September 2025, Redfin data indicates 8,620 homes were sold in the Washington metro area, a slight 0.1% decrease from the 8,629 homes sold in September 2024. This slowdown reflects a cautious market, with homes lingering longer, taking an average of 24 days to sell, up from 17 days last year. What about new home sales? In August 2025, new constructions added to DC's inventory, but exact figures for new home sales are harder to pin down. The National Association of Realtors notes that nationally, new home sales are a small fraction of total sales, and DC's tight land supply means new builds are limited. Still, the district surpassed its goal of delivering 36,000 new homes by 2025, boosting options for buyers. Mortgage rates are a big driver in today's market. According to Zillow, the average 30-year fixed mortgage rate in DC was 6.48% in August 2025, down from nearly 8% in late 2023. Experts predict rates will settle between 6% and 7% through 2025, making homeownership slightly more affordable. But high rates are still pushing some buyers toward renting, with median rents in DC up 1.5% to $1,849 for a one-bedroom. The Washington Post and Redfin report that federal layoffs are shaking up DC's market. Inventory surged 22.7% in June 2025, hitting the highest level since 2022, partly because former federal workers are selling their homes. This has created a buyer's window, with 35,318 homes for sale in July 2025, up 21.5% from last year. But demand is cooling, with pending sales down 0.3% in June. So, what does this mean for you? Buyers, you've got more choices and time to shop, especially in neighborhoods like Foggy Bottom or Navy Yard. Sellers, strategic pricing is key. Only 35.7% of homes sold above asking in June, down from 47.8% last year. The market is balancing, but DC remains competitive, with a median listing price of $599,900 in November 2024, per Realtor.com. That's your Washington, D.C. housing market update for September 2025. Whether you're buying, selling, or just curious, stay informed to make the best moves in this dynamic market. Subscribe for more updates and visit our website for personalized real estate insights. Don't wait. Your dream home could be just one smart decision away.
Your ultimate hub for real estate insights, breaking news, entrepreneurial wisdom, investing strategies, and self-development hacks. If you're ready to expand your mind and stay ahead of the game floor, you're in the right place. Subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.